1927 USA 1-cent coin. Hey, fellow numismatists and treasure hunters, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're taking a journey back to the Roaring Twenties to examine a classic piece of American history you might have overlooked, the 1927 Lincoln wheat cent. Most of these are worth just a few dollars, but the secret is, one pristine example has already sold for over $40,000, and the door for a truly historic, multi-million-dollar era coin discovery is always open. Magnifying glass tilted right, the 1927 wheat penny. The basics: to understand the potential value, we must first understand the coin. The 1927 penny was part of the popular wheat cent series, minted from 1909 to 1958. It was struck at 3 different U.S. mints. Philadelphia no mint mark. A massive 144.4 million were produced. These are the most common. Denver, the D mint mark is under the date. 27.17 million were produced. Scarcer than the P mint, San Francisco, S the S mint mark. Only 14.27 million were minted. This is the key date for the year, making it the most valuable in standard condition. An average, circulated 1927 penny is worth less than $1. But once you look at condition, the value immediately skyrockets. Gemstone, the record-breaking auction prices. When collectors talk about a 1927 cent, they're typically talking about condition, specifically the coin's original red copper luster. This is incredibly rare for a coin nearly a century old. Let's look at the highest prices achieved for non-era 1927 cents. 1927p. The record is a stunning $40,800 for a single coin graded MS68 red. This is an almost perfect coin from the most common mint, demonstrating that condition is king. 1927d. A high-grade, fully red Denver cent is rare. Records show prices reaching into the thousands of dollars, with the finest known examples pushing higher. 1927s. Due to the low mintage, the San Francisco cent is the toughest. While circulated ones are worth $10 to $20, the finest known, fully red specimens can fetch $10,000 to over $11,900 at auction. Now, that is serious money for a penny. But what about the millions? That brings us to the ultra-rare world of extreme mint errors. Police car light. The $1 million era potential for a 1927 penny. To achieve a $1 million valuation, it would need to be an error of such magnitude that it rivals the legendary coins of the entire Lincoln cent series. We're talking about anomalies like 1. The extreme doubled die obverse. While minor 1927 DDOs exist, a truly dramatic, clear doubling on the date. Liberty. And In God We Trust. One that rivals the famous or the 1958 DDO, would make a 1927 version absolutely priceless. To date, a DDO of that magnitude has not been publicly found on a 1927 cent, meaning it's still out there. 2. Struck on wrong planchet / off metal strike. Imagine a 1927 cent struck on a planchet intended for a different coin, like a dime, or, more dramatically, a bronze planchet mistakenly struck in 1943. A 1943 copper penny, an error from World War II, sold for $1.7 million. If a 1927 cent were accidentally struck on a planchet of a much rarer composition from that era, the value would be astronomical. 3. Major mule error. A mule is a coin struck with 2 dies not meant to be paired. If a 1927 cent reverse was accidentally paired with the obverse die of a different denomination, say, a 1927 quarter or nickel, this unique, unprecedented error would be an instant record breaker, easily hitting the 7-figure mark. While there are minor errors reported for 1927, like repunched mint marks on the D and S cents, which can add a few hundred to a couple $1,000s to the value, the path to millions is through an unprecedented, newly discovered, major mint error. Magnifying glass tilted left. How to search your 1927 penny. Ready to hunt? Here's your checklist for inspecting any 1927 wheat cent. Check the mint mark. Immediately look under the date for the D or S. The S is the most valuable if the condition is high. Inspect the surface and color. Look for full red color. If the coin is a brilliant, original copper color with no brown toning, you have a winner. Use a bright light, use a loupe, look for doubling on the motto. In God we trust, liberty. And the date. 1927. Even a slight error, like the repunched mint marks on the 1927D, can boost value. Check the edges. Look for any evidence of the coin being off-center or for strange warping, which could indicate a planchet error. If you find one that looks pristine, or one with a clear, dramatic error, do not clean it. Preserve it in a non-PVC holder and get it authenticated by a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC. They are the gatekeepers to those big auction dollars. The 1927 wheat penny is a classic, but its real excitement lies in the rare examples. Whether it's the $40,000 pristine specimen or the elusive, multi-million-dollar error, this coin proves that treasure can literally be a penny waiting to be found. Which one of these 1927 pennies would you rather find? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of valuable coins. For more information on the value of 1927 wheat pennies, you can watch this video.